So in the previous video, we showed you how to clean your interior with Express Interior Cleaner. Now we're going to show you something that not a lot of people know about. It's one of P&S's more affordable water-based dressings. For those that like a really high shine on their interior, which that is some people more like a natural shine. But if you're looking for a high shine, we can use Shine All from P&S. If you read on the back, it can be used on the interiors. Most people are going to know it for tires, exterior trim, engine bays, stuff like that. But with this being a water-based dressing, it can be diluted down if you want to use it as an interior dressing. It doesn't really have much scent from the bottle. If you're wanting more of a fragrance to it, there's nothing wrong with taking a liquid air freshener and adding a couple ounces to it. You know, whatever flavor you like, you can add that to it. So we're going to show you on this door panel what it's going to look like undiluted with Shine All. So that's going to be a high shine. Again, some people love it. Some people just more the natural look, but we'll show you what that looks like now. All right, so again, one of my favorite things to do, one of these microfiber coating applicators, they do have a plastic liner on the inside of them. So if you're trying to conserve product, not use a ton of it, you can just spray the Shine All directly on that and it's not going to soak through the whole thing. So if you do it this way, a little bit of product will go a long way. And we're going to go ahead and start putting it on our door panels. And again, as you'll see, that's going to have way more shine than some of their other interior dressings like Swift, which is what we're going to show you in another video where you can clean and protect all in one step. So we'll go ahead and get this whole door panel applied with the Shine All. If you really want to go crazy, you can use a fine detail brush and kind of brush it into the cracks. Again, this is my own vehicle. Main thing we're just trying to do is get some protection on the door. Make sure we get down into the switch. And pretty well what I'm going to use this for is going to be anything plastic on the inside. We're not really going to try to get it on anything that's painted. Personal preference would not like this on leather. I know they say that you can, but again, that's just going to be too shiny and slick for leather in my opinion, and it's just better off putting a leather conditioner on there, which is really going to keep the leather soft and supple anyway. There you can see the door panel's definitely got a little bit more of a high shine to it, what some people might call more of a new car shine. I think it looks pretty good. That definitely is going to add some protection to it. If you're more into a natural shine or you haven't seen our other video on cleaning the interior first, we're going to put the video Interior Express at the top corner. If you want to see more of a natural all-in-one product, that's going to be P&S Swift. That's going to be down at the bottom. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you got any questions at all. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do that now. Thank you.